I'm here again and just giving you an information about the Taal volcano. We just erupted last January 12, 2020, and we have so many evacuees here in Barangay Pansol, Barangay Mangas and Bawi. The same with Castillo and Banaba, and there are a lot of relief goods coming from private individuals and private companies and the government alike. If you are kind-hearted and you like to donate anything, contact me at 0919-826-0117. I'm very pleased to receive all your donations. Thank you very much. God bless. I'm here in the Philippines. Goodbye. God bless.